Hello, students. Hi, everyone. Good evening, Bacho, and a very warm welcome to this amazing session. And our series now continues, and this is the third part of integers. So today we will be studying about addition and subtraction of integers without the number line. Okay, in the last class, I taught you how we can do addition and subtraction with the help of number line. In today's session, we will leave the number line and we'll go ahead and see how we can add and subtract the integers just, I would say, without the help of the number line. But before going ahead with this session, I just want to discuss one thing with all my students. So as a teacher, I feel that, after so many years of, providing education to the students, I feel that math is not hard. Okay. If you see, math is not that hard. We should not have the fear of maths as like, I know as a student, when I was having my maths and everything, I also had a fear. But after this, when I gained the confidence, I found a very good teacher. I feel that math is not hard. It's just like another language that we learn. So I believe that like just like our Hindi, our English, some other languages, I feel maths can also be treated as a language. I'll prove that also. And I know that, Bacho, if I talk about maths as a language, there is something which is called as like, to say, which you have been doing from the very start. कुछ चीजें हैं जो आप बहुत start से करते आ रहे हो, but still, when it comes to maths, they are taught separately. You don't have that connect with those things. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं बात करूं कॉन्स्टेंट्स एंड वेरिएबल्स की, करेक्ट बच्चों? सो आई थिंक यू स्टडी कॉन्स्टेंट्स 1 2 3 4 5, correct, and then you study variables, then you study expressions and equations, and then you study addition of those expressions, subtractions of those expressions. But you know what, you have been doing this from the very early stage. बहुत पहले से आप करते आते हो. एक एग्जांपल दूं मैं आपको, जिससे आपको कंप्लीटली ये बिलीफ हो जाएगा कि मैथ्स इज अ लैंग्वेज. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द एग्जांपल इज सपोज वन डे यू गॉट टू एप्पल्स. ठीक है, वन डे you bought two apples, and then after eating those two apples again you thought that you should buy more apples. You went to the market or you ordered it online. You bought five more apples. You bought five more apples. Now, if the question was that you're thinking that how many apples have I got for the day? So what do you use today? You will say that seven apples. But do you know this part, that when you were adding this two apples and five apples, it was like seven. Two plus five, seven. Numbers we know how to add. But who told you to add two apples with five apples? Aren't these variables kind of thing? Denoting us like that. Letters. We are adding letters this way. You can see over here these words that we use as a form of variable. So seven apples will be the answer. So if you feel this, then when you studied this constants and variables, I think it is not separate. You already know this. So guys, it's all about the connect that a teacher can create with the students with the real life objects and maths. So that is the only one reason at ODA class, we teach the students in some same way. So we have started with a crash course to make sure that this connect between the teacher and the student is there. And that is the only one reason we have this crash course starting this Monday. In this crash course, you will get 3 sessions of maths, 3 sessions of science. It's a 1 week course. And you also get a support of a personal teacher. And as I've told in my all sessions that, to clear the concepts, you need better teacher, best teachers. And to clear the doubts, you need a support of the teacher regularly. So that is the only one reason in this entire crash course, you will have a personal teacher for your support for clearing out all your doubts. And along with this, if you see, homework on the app so that you can practice, test on the app to provide you some kind of scholarship and rewards. And along with this, you will also have ebooks. So you can also enroll for this course. Now let's begin the session, guys. This is your master teacher, Vishal sir. Having an experience of 4 years have taught and mentored more than 15,000 students by now. So let's start our today's session. And the first topic that we will learn is the absolute value of an integer. Now, what is the meaning of this? What is the absolute value of an integer? I know, Bacho, I have already told you about integers, that integers are natural numbers plus zero and plus the negatives of the natural numbers. But what is the meaning of this absolute value of an integer? So the absolute value of an integer means that it is the distance of an integer from zero. Again, I will repeat, what is the absolute value of an integer? It is the distance of a number, or I would say a distance of an integer from zero on the number line. And that distance will give us the absolute value of the integer. थोड़ा visualize करके देखते हैं. So this is the number line we have. Okay. Now let's talk about this number line and the numbers on this number line 0. On the left, we have negative numbers -1, -2, and -3, and so on. On the right of this 0, we are having 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now, if we go by the definition of this, like what is the absolute value of the integer, it means that we have to find out the distance of that number from 0. Let's take this 3. ठीक है. Let's take this 3. This is 0. This is 3. What is the distance between 0 and 3? So if you see, the distance will be like 1, 2, 3. Correct? So it is 3 points away from 0. So the absolute value of 3 will become 3. Now let's talk about this -3. Okay. Now when I talk about the distance of -3 from 0, if you see from 0, if you go to -3, 1, 2, 3. 3 points. So the absolute value of -3 is what? 3. Correct? It is 3 points away from 0. Are you able to think like this? And since it's distance, and distance is never negative, that is why if you see, -3 is 3 point distant from 0, and +3 is also 3 point distant from this 0. So we can say that the absolute value of 3 is 3, and the absolute value of -3 is also 3. I hope this thing is clear. ये जो bars है, we represent this with the bars, है ना? To find out the absolute value, we use these two bars for this. And the extra thing that you have to know is that the absolute value of an integer is its numerical value. सीधी सीधी अगर if you want to find out the absolute value of any integer, it's clearly the numerical value of that number. And we don't have to care for its sign. Sign को भूल जाना है. Okay, so let's talk about the absolute value of -5. It will be what? 5. The absolute value of 5, it is 5 only. क्योंकि यहाँ सिर्फ उसकी numerical value, will focus only on the numerical value of that. Tell me, Bacho, what will be the absolute value of -5? Just focus on its numerical value. -5. Now to find the absolute value of -5, just focus on the numerical part. Forget about the sign. So its numerical value will be 5. So we can say that the absolute value of -5 is equal to 5. कुछ questions है, फटाफट solve करते हैं. पहला question है -47. Find its absolute value. ठीक है. So -47 is given. अब कुछ बच्चे इसको इस तरीके से भी याद करते हैं कि अगर माइनस साइन है तो उसको प्लस कर दो, अगर प्लस साइन है तो उसको प्लस ही रहने दो. This way also they learn it. But I would say कि just focus on this basic definition that absolute value is just the numerical value of that, irrespective of the sign. We don't have to care about the sign. So -47, its absolute value will be just the numerical part, 47. अब ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. Absolute value of -20 plus absolute value of -33. So first of all, we will try to find out their values. ठीक है. तो -20 plus absolute value of -33. Absolute value of -20, forget the sign. It is only 20, only the numerical part. Plus absolute value of -33 will be 33. So the answer of 20 plus 33, 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 plus 3 that is 5. Answer is 53. समझ आया बच्चों? I think pretty much clear. है ना? इसमें कुछ rocket science नहीं, बहुत easy है. Next question that we have, absolute value of 77 minus absolute value of minus 18. Now the absolute value of 77 is 77 minus, okay, this is the minus, the operation that we have, and absolute value of minus 18 will be 18 only. I hope it is clear to everyone. ठीक है, subtraction करो. 77 minus 18, तो 17 minus 8 that is 9, 6 minus 1 that is 5. I hope it is clear to everyone. ठीक है, चलो let's go ahead. Now we are going to learn that what happens when the two signs are together. ठीक है, तो suppose right now you can see here we have a plus sign and a minus sign. ठीक है, when you have 1 plus 1 minus, then the end result will be minus. Okay, so when you are having 1 plus 1 minus, the end result will be minus. So it means that, इसका क्या मतलब है? Plus minus 3, it will be minus 3. I hope this is clear to everyone. Plus minus 3, it will be equal to minus 3. And first option, when there are two negative signs together, it means it will be positive. So minus minus 3, it is equal to plus 3. Plus plus, same thing, it will be plus 3 only. Minus plus 3, when there are two signs of different, one is positive, one is negative, then it will be completely negative. अब यहां पे एक चीज नोटिस करो बच्चों, when we have same signs, okay, you can see here that negative negative, क्या बन रहा है यहां पे? When you are having this negative negative together, it is becoming positive. ठीक है, when you are having different signs like positive and negative, it is negative. एक जगह लिख लेते हैं इसको. When positive and negative are there together, it becomes negative. Not I will say. ठीक है? Or when we have two negative symbols together, same signs, it becomes positive. Two same signs, it is positive. And negative positive, it will be negative. क्या ये चीज क्लियर है सभी को? तो बताओ, अगर इस तरीके से सॉल्व करें तो प्लस माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3. दिस ऑप्शन इट इज प्लस 3, इट इज प्लस 3 एंड इट इज माइनस 3. तो राइट आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन डी. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. क्या ये चीज सबको क्लियर है? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज प्लस माइनस 2. डिफरेंट साइंस, प्लस है फिर माइनस है, इट विल बी नेगेटिव. ठीक है, टू सेम साइंस, negative negative, it becomes positive. Different signs negative, same signs positive. समझ रहे हो बच्चों कितना फास्ट हो गया? Different signs negative, same signs positive. तो the final end result over here plus minus 2, it is equal to minus 2. So the right answer will be option B. Correct? समझ आ रहा? कुछ कुछ फटाफट क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. एक और minus plus 5, different signs, तो negative. Same signs, it will be positive. Same signs, positive. Different signs, negative. So, the right answer for this solution will be what? Option C. क्या ये चीज clear है सभी को? I hope now this thing is clear to everyone. Now, let's go ahead and let's solve the next question. Minus plus 4, different signs, negative. So minus plus 4 is minus 4. Options, same signs. Minus minus. So it will become plus 4. It is minus 4. Plus plus 4, it is plus 4 only. 4 is 4. So the answer should be what? Minus 4. And the right option for this is option B. Correct? अगला क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो। माइनस माइनस फोर, सेम साइंस एक साथ, when the same signs we are having together it becomes positive, तो माइनस माइनस दैट इज प्लस फोर। ऑप्शन ए क्या है? इट इज माइनस माइनस प्लस फोर। ऑप्शन बी इज माइनस फोर। डिफरेंट साइंस ऑलवेज नेगेटिव, एंड लास्ट वन इज प्लस फोर। सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा माइनस माइनस प्लस फोर, ऑप्शन ए। इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन? So whenever we are having the same signs together, that is positive, and when we have different signs together, it is negative. Now let's go ahead and let's try to see that this equation over here, that is minus minus 4 plus minus 2 minus plus 3, what can be the correct option which satisfies this? So first one is what? Minus minus together. Agar those same signs together hai, तो it will be positive. Plus 4. Okay. Then we have a plus, minus 2, and minus plus. If you see over here, this minus plus will become what? Minus 3. तो आई थिंक क्या करेक्ट आंसर हो रहा है इसका? ऑप्शन सी मैच हो रहा है क्या? देखो, प्लस 4 प्लस माइनस 2 माइनस 3, इसको भी हम फर्दर सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, तो इट विल बिकम प्लस 4 माइनस 2 माइनस 3। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन। करेक्ट। तो ये हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी था बिफोर इवन वी स्टार्ट विद द एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ द नंबर्स, दैट हाउ दीज साइंस रिएक्ट। नाउ लेट्स डू द एडिशन। ठीक है, एडिशन ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स, माइनस 5 माइनस 4, वी आर एडिंग देम। फर्स्ट स्टेप, सो व्हेन वी आर एडिंग टू इंटीजर्स having same sign, 5 का साइन क्या है? नेगेटिव। 4 का साइन क्या है? नेगेटिव। नाउ वी हैव टू फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस साइन, साइन भूल जाओ, तो हमारे पास नंबर्स क्या बचेंगे? 5 और 4। सेकेंड स्टेप इज एड द नंबर्स। एडिशन ऑफ 5 प्लस 4 दैट इज इक्वल टू 9। थर्ड स्टेप इज गिव द कॉमन साइन टू द रिजल्ट। कॉमन साइन क्या था इनका? माइनस माइनस, तो आंसर इज माइनस 9। इतना इजी है बच्चों, सिर्फ 3 स्टेप्स में वी हैव सॉल्व दिस एडिशन। करेक्ट। सो व्हेनेवर वी आर हैविंग द सेम साइंस, इन दैट केस व्हाट वी डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन वी आर एडिंग टू सेम साइन इंटीजर्स, फॉरगेट अबाउट द साइंस ऑफ दोज इंटीजर्स। तो मैं माइनस भूल गया, यहां भी मैं माइनस भूल गया। इसके बाद में आई गॉट द नंबर्स एज 5 एंड 4, आई एडेड 5 with 4। करेक्ट, वी एड and then we give the common sign। common sign कौन सा था? नेगेटिव। तो माइनस 5 प्लस माइनस 4 दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 9। ये चीज सबको क्लियर है? और जब डिफरेंट साइन होंगे तब क्या करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू सी माइनस 5 प्लस प्लस 4, वी आर एडिंग टू इंटीजर्स हैविंग डिफरेंट साइन। एक का साइन नेगेटिव, एक का साइन पॉजिटिव। इन दैट केस व्हाट वी डू, वी फॉलो द फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेम, फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस साइन, 5 4। Second step, find their difference। जब we are having different signs, we find their difference। Subtract कर लो, 5 minus 4 that is 1। Third step, give the sign of the larger number। larger number मतलब we have to think about their numerical values। 5 और 4 देखो, 5 और 4 में से कौन बड़ा? 5, तो 5 का साइन क्या है? नेगेटिव, तो इसका आंसर -1। समझ आ रहा है बच्चों? एक बार वापस से बता देता हूं, when we have same signs, forget about the sign। when we are having same signs, forget about the signs, then you have to do the addition and then you have to give the common। and in the next case, if you see, when there we have different signs, in that case what we do, we take out, we forget about the sign, we find their difference and we give the sign of the larger number। इक्वेशन करेंगे इसके ऊपर, दैट इज -9 प्लस प्लस 3। एडिशन कर रहे हैं टू डिफरेंट इंटीजर्स, -9 एंड +3। साइंस बोलो, इनके साइन डिफरेंट है, एक साइन माइनस है, एक साइन प्लस है, तो इनके इस केस में क्या करेंगे? व्हेन वी आर हैविंग द साइंस डिफरेंट, व्हाट वी डू, फर्स्ट वी टेक द नंबर्स 9 and 3, then we find their difference। Second step is what? We find out their difference. So 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. And we give the sign of the larger number. इनमें से बड़ा कौन? 9 या 3? Obviously 9. 9 का sign, that is minus. तो minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Option A. ये करेक्ट आंसर है इसका. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. चलो अगला क्वेश्चन करो. -+9 + 3. अब देखो यहां पे जो हमने पहले सीखा था कि जब डिफरेंट साइंस टुगेदर हैं माइनस प्लस तो इट इज नेगेटिव. तो माइनस प्लस दैट इज इक्वल टू -9 + 3. दिख रहा है बच्चों? -9 + 3. थोड़ा और अच्छे से लिखूं. -9 + 3. दिखा आपको? When the signs are different, तो क्या करो? नंबर लो, डिफरेंस निकाल दो और बड़े वाला का साइन रख दो. तो 9 is greater, तो -6 will be the answer. Option A. That is equal to -6. Is this clear to everyone? क्या ये चीज क्लियर है सभी को? अगला क्वेश्चन देखो. -+9 + -3. Again, you are having two signs together, different signs, minus plus, that is minus, it will become -9 plus or under -3. When you are adding two integers having the same signs, मतलब दोनों negative है, what we do? We take the numbers 9 and 3, we add them. So 9 + 3 that is equal to 12 and we give the common sign. Common sign कौन सा है? Minus. Answer is -12. Option D इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. क्या ये चीज सबको क्लियर है? बहुत इजी है. अगला क्वेश्चन करो. माइनस माइनस सेम साइंस प्लस -3. अब देखो यहां पे वी हैव नॉट लर्नड अबाउट सब्ट्रैक्शन बट स्टिल वी कैन सॉल्व इट. हाउ? माइनस माइनस एक साथ क्या हुआ? प्लस. तो इट विल बी 9 -, +3. 9 + 3 सॉल्व करोगे, द आंसर इज 12. करेक्ट. तो विल नॉट लर्न अबाउट सब्ट्रैक्शन, सिर्फ इतने से ही वी आर एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. क्या ये चीज क्लियर है सभी को? आई थिंक अब तक क्यों एक समराइज करूं मैं पूरे इस चैप्टर को, तो एडिशन क्लियर हो गया एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन भी क्लियर हो गया. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. कुछ क्वेश्चंस और ट्राई कर लेते हैं. -+6 + -3. तो देखो माइनस प्लस है, डिफरेंट साइंस, तो नेगेटिव. -+6 इज -6 प्लस -3. अब हमारा रूल काम आ जाएगा यहां पे कि व्हेन द साइंस दे आर सेम, माइनस माइनस क्या करो? नंबर ले लो, ऐड कर दो. 6 + 3 is 9 and give the common sign that is minus. That is equal to option D. Is this clear to everyone? और एक जो कंफ्यूजन आई थिंक वो सभी बच्चे को होता है, द कंफ्यूजन कि सर 0 पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है. तो बच्चों 0 ना तो पॉजिटिव है ना वो नेगेटिव है. तो इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन में क्या करें? 0 के आगे कितने भी साइन लगा दो, क्या उसका कोई मतलब नहीं. 0 is 0. करेक्ट. भूल जाओ उस चीज को. 0 + -2. करेक्ट. प्लस माइनस डिफरेंट साइंस, दैट इज इक्वल टू -2. तो 0 के साथ कुछ भी करोगे तो कुछ होगा नहीं. तो द आंसर इज -2. ऑप्शन ए. क्या ये चीज क्लियर है सभी को? करेक्ट. तो 0 - 2 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? -2. इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन? आई होप बाय नाउ इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. नाउ राइट नाउ वी आर एडिंग टू नंबर्स. क्या करें जब हमारे पास मोर देन 2 नंबर्स हो? फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस -5 + 4 + 5. In this case, we are having these 3 numbers. What we'll do? We'll go ahead and we'll start from the left. Simple. Correct. Or even if you want to improve, थोड़ा सा rearrangement कर सकते हो. सारे additions को एक साथ लिख दो. ठीक है? +4 + 5. और जो negatives है उनको right hand side में shift करो. ठीक है? तो ये क्या हुआ? 4 + 5 9. 9 - 5 that is equal to 4. I hope this is clear to everyone. एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं फटाफट से. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 4 simple है. 2 plus 3 that is 5. 5 plus 4 it is equal to 9. Correct. But the question में options देखो. 3 plus 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 plus 2. कुछ भी करेंगे. ठीक है. अगर if you know this part that addition follows the commutative property. Either you add a plus b or you add b plus a, the results are same. जो हमारे results आते हैं वो same होते हैं. So in this case, if you see 2 plus 3 plus 4, if you add 2 with 3 or you add 3 with 4, the answer will be same. If you are adding 3 with 2 and then with 4, then also the answer will be same. So you can place them in any order. Until unless the numbers are same, the answer will always be same. So इसका correct answer होगा option D. करके भी देख लो भले. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 that is 9. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 that is 9. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 that is equal to 9. Clear है सभी को? I hope by now this thing is clear to everyone. Now if I talk about today's session बच्चों, what we have done? We have learnt about addition and subtraction of integers. Next class, I will try to give you more questions based upon the addition and subtraction of integers only. Okay. Also, we will learn the multiplication of integers. And if you like this session, then you can also join our crash course, bachcho. It's a 1-week course, 3 concepts of maths, 3 concepts of science with the help of 2 teachers. And along with that, you will also have homework on the app. Personal support from the teacher's end, and as well as you will get ebooks for this. So this entire course is available at 29.99 and 149 rupees. So to enroll for this course, you will find a link below. Okay? You'll be finding a link below, and you just click on this link and directly it will take you to the enrollment page. Complete the payment according to your class. And there are a lot of benefits when you enroll for a crash course, because in this crash course, you will have the chance to win the ODA coins. Yes, bacho. So we feel that when a student takes classes at ODA, he should be motivated, and we keep him motivated by giving him coins just because he is studying with us. So students, you can redeem these coins with our gifts. These coins can redeem or can provide you these gifts: smart water bottle, my band, sound bar, and even the mobile phones. So quickly click on the link below, which is there in the description, and take this crash course and see how amazing concepts you will learn just in 1 week. And if you like this session, you can also like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out any of the videos from ODA class. So bye students, bye everyone. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bacho. Bye to all my dear students. Bye everyone.